Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain in Bubble. The first thing I want you to do is actually come here on the left-hand panel, click on this gear cog. It will take you to your settings, and then here under web app, click on domain and email. Now I want you to scroll down, you'll see custom domain. What I need you to do is go ahead and paste in your domain name and then click on set up this domain. And after that, what you need to do is go ahead and get all of these. So let's say type a record name and then you have value. So copy this and then go to your DNS record in your domain name manager. So let's say this one, for example, I'm using Ionis. We'll scroll down here, we'll click on add record, and what they want is a type record in our DNS name. We'll leave it blank. This is what they wanted, a blank name. And then for value, just copy and paste that, for example. Our time to live, I'll leave it at 1 hour. Click here on save. So that's 1 hour. That's just a preview of what it looks like. And then you repeat the same thing for the other ones. This one in name, you'll actually type in www. After you're done, click on check my settings. Give it at least 24 hours usually, and then you can check back. And usually once you click on check my settings, and you'll actually see that it has use your new custom domain. And that is how to add a custom domain in Bubble.